Dear friend, this is yummy and easy to make bofrot that you can make at home. It's well cooked, and I tell you, if you eat it today, you will eat it tomorrow.
Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to Chef Gabi GA channel. Today, we are going to learn how to make bofrot, doughnut, puff, whatever you call it. It's just going to be simple and delicious. I know you are going to enjoy this recipe. Come, let's do it together. Yalla!
Dear friend, let's go through the ingredients we are going to use to make the dough for the bofrot. The vanilla and the egg, they are optional. The bofrot you eat on the street does not contain any egg or vanilla. This is homemade. That's why I'm trying to add it to make it extra flavorful and rich. And I have 1 cup of sugar, 5 cups of flour, and nutmeg. I grated about 1 teaspoon already grated. It's better you use this one. This make it more fresh. And I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of active yeast, and of course oil for deep frying. Dear friend, I am using 300 ml of water for this recipe, and this flour is soft flour. If you're using hard flour, you can use 350, or if you're using cup, you can use 1.5 cups. But if it's soft flour, try 1 cup and 1/4 cup of water for it. If you see that it's still thick, just add the 1/4 cup or the extra 50 ml of water to make it the perfect consistency that you are looking for. And this recipe is a popular request from my maths lecturer, Madam Smith Fidelia. Dear friend, I am going to add all the ingredients together and mix it. And I will add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla essence, and I'm going to use machine, but please don't worry yourself using machine or even whisk. Use your hand to mix it, and that's the best way you can ever get it, because the big ones that they do it on the street, that is about 5 kilos or 10 kilos, they use their hands to mix it, and because the water is enough, it will be easy to use your hand. So please don't worry about the machine I'm going to use your hand to mix your dough, and you will get it perfect. I still need my hands to make the dough perfect for bofrot, and I will cover it and let it rise for about 2 hours before I use it. But if you're at home, please leave it for minimum 4 hours. You can even mix it overnight, and that will be the perfect dough for bofrot. When your dough is risen or rested for about 4 hours, it can be overnight. You can even keep it in your chiller or fridge for up to 3 days. You take it or scoop it with your hand, and then you roll it to get it smooth, and then cut it with your thumb. Drop it gently in the oil so that you will not burn yourself with the hot oil. And the oil shouldn't be very hot. It should be around 130-140 degrees Celsius. So don't put too much also, so that it will not be overlapping. And when the dough is very light, it will be turning by itself. But when it's like this, that is just about 2 hours, you turn it with your perforated ladle, and you'll be turning it till it is ready. And this will take about 7 to 10 minutes depending on the hotness of the oil. Take it out into a colander for the oil to be drained, and you get your perfect bofrot. Our bofrot is ready, and it's very hot. I've tasted one, so delicious. My friend, this one you will never get it anywhere. You will get it only at Chef Gabi GA channel. Actually, it's very hot, my friend. I'm burning my hands. You can see. Baby ewu o de poso bolobia achiri bibra naja yemfa enjoy. Dear friend, this recipe is easy to make, and it's very simple. As I said in the beginning, for the vanilla essence and the egg, you can do without it. Don't worry yourself. Just use your water, flour, baking powder, and your yeast and your sugar, and you are good to go. Add your water, and that's it. Please do try it at home, and I know you enjoy it. God bless you, and God bless us all. Adieu.